Is James Hardie Siding and trim worth having on your home? One of the best qualities of James Hardie Siding trim products is that exterior paint jobs hold up 4 to 5 times longer than any other siding material. As you can see here, James Hardie Siding and trim products come with a pre-painted yellow primer for longer-lasting paint jobs. When you have James Hardie Siding and trim installed on your home, you can recoup as much as 76% or more of the upfront cost upon the sale of your home. James Hardie Siding is backed by a 30-year limited warranty and is the #1 brand of siding in America. Here you will see why.
We're working on this house. He had a problem with some of the siding, and we're replacing it with this Hardie plank. This is called Colonial. That's what it looks like going up. This is the old siding. Look at that. Cardboard. Kind of like a Captain Crunch cardboard box material. See that? Cardboard. Yeah, Hardie fiber cement. Solid. And here's the final painting. They color match it to the original color.
With James Hardie Siding trim products, you never have to worry about rot again. This alone can make this siding option the best option for your home. If you're a homeowner in the Woodlands or Northwest Houston area, schedule an in-home estimate today to get James Hardie Siding and trim professionally installed, sealed, and painted